Hey there, language lovers. Welcome to Speak Smart English Ease, the place where you'll master the idioms that'll make your English sound natural, fun, and way more like a native speaker. In this video, we'll dive into idioms that you can use in your day-to-day life, whether you're at work, out with friends, or just chatting online. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to speak like a pro and use these idioms effortlessly. Ready to sound more natural in English? Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Break the ice. To start a conversation or a relationship in a friendly and easy way. At the party, he told a funny joke to break the ice. I was nervous at first, but playing a game helped break the ice. Bite the bullet. To do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been avoiding. I didn't want to go to the dentist, but I had to bite the bullet. I've been putting off my exam, but I guess it's time to bite the bullet and study. Under the weather, to feel sick or unwell. I can't go to work today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. He was under the weather last week, but he's feeling much better now. Piece of cake. Something that is very easy to do. The test was a piece of cake. I finished it in 10 minutes. Fixing this small issue will be a piece of cake for you. Burn the midnight oil. To stay up late working on something. I had to burn the midnight oil to finish the project before the deadline. She burned the midnight oil studying for her final exams. Cost an arm and a leg. Something that is very expensive. That new phone costs an arm and a leg. The concert tickets cost an arm and a leg, but it was worth it. Hit the nail on the head. To be exactly right about something. You really hit the nail on the head with that suggestion. His analysis of the situation really hit the nail on the head. Spill the beans. To reveal a secret or information. He accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Don't spill the beans about the project until we're ready to announce it. The ball is in your court. It's your turn to take action or make a decision. I've done all I can. Now the ball is in your court. We've made our offer, so now the ball is in their court. Don't cry over spilled milk. Don't be upset over something that has already happened and cannot be changed. Yes, you made a mistake, but don't cry over spilled milk. Just fix it. You lost your favorite book, but don't cry over spilled milk. Just get another one. A blessing in disguise. Something that seems bad or unlucky at first, but turns out to be good in the end. Losing that job was a blessing in disguise because I found a much better one. The car accident was a blessing in disguise. We got a new car out of it. The early bird catches the worm. People who start early or act quickly will have an advantage. She always arrives at work early. The early bird catches the worm. If you want to get the best deals, the early bird catches the worm. Let the cat out of the bag. To accidentally reveal a secret or plan. We were planning a surprise party for John, but Jane let the cat out of the bag. I accidentally let the cat out of the bag about her promotion. Actions speak louder than words. What you do is more important than what you say. He promised to help, but actions speak louder than words. She says she'll work hard, but actions speak louder than words. When pigs fly, something that will never happen. I'll believe he's getting married when pigs fly. She'll clean her room when pigs fly. In hot water. In trouble or in a difficult situation. He's in hot water after failing to meet the deadline. I'm in hot water with my boss for taking an unplanned day off. Throw in the towel, to give up or quit. After hours of trying to fix the car, I had to throw in the towel. I almost threw in the towel during the workout, but I pushed through. Hit the sack. To go to bed or sleep. I'm so tired, I'm going to hit the sack early tonight. After a long day, I can't wait to hit the sack. Cut corners. To do something badly or cheaply, usually to save time or money. They cut corners on the construction, and now the building is unsafe. Don't cut corners on your project, it'll show in the results. Jump on the bandwagon. To join a popular activity or trend, everyone's talking about that new app. I guess I'll jump on the bandwagon too. She jumped on the bandwagon and started posting fitness tips after it became popular. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyed learning about these idioms. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, feel free to leave a comment or subscribe. Your support means a lot, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch.